Okay, it's been a couple more days past the last time I did the percussion cap thing. I mixed the percussion cap fire maker, and so what I want to do now, I'll show you just how explosive this this primer compound is with my little demo over here. I'm going to have just use like one little tiny little 1/3 cups of the percussion cap maker, and then I got a little bit of some black powder next to it, so we'll see what that does, if it sets that stuff off when I hit it with a hammer. That's all I'm going to do. So let me go set that up, and we'll show you what's going on. Let's see. Don't get too close, but I don't want to get too far away either. Alright. Let's do it right there. And you're going to be looking at this top part right here. And so we're going to scoop on there, and we'll see what this does. If I mix it up right, it should work. Well, if nothing else, it'll go a small bang, or maybe a poof. Okay, so there's 1/3 of those little small cups. I'm going to put it right there. I'm not mixing other gunpowder or anything else other than what's there. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to scoop that over. There it is right there, that little gray spot right there. Now, if I mix that right, they should go off. So we'll find out. Hold on. Ah! There it is. That's what it does. And you see, that was just a little small bit of it. That was hardly anything. Yeah, we'll do that again. What the heck? Let's see if I can hit it square on. I think that was the problem before. Whew. Now that was a little bit bigger. And that shows you how explosive that stuff actually is. Actually, that's making my ears ring. So anyway, so I'll show you what it does there. Now I guess I'll go ahead and try one of those caps in my revolver. I'll show you that one. Okay. Now, here's my little doggy. Of course, he couldn't go out in the garage with me, so come on, come on, come on. He's going to run off anyway when I pull the gun out. Huh, won't you? Won't you, doggy? But yeah, this stuff still making my ears ring from that out in the garage. Wow, that's something else. I didn't expect that second one because it was the same scoop, but it mixed really well with the gunpowder. You should see this other video this other guy did the other day, or he did a couple years ago, I guess it was, and he was trying to show how magnesium was when you went ahead and you lit it off. The problem was he had too much magnesium, and it literally exploded in his face. I mean, his face was all black and everything when he got done. He says, I think I used too much magnesium. I'll put that video in my comments there so you can take a look at it. It's pretty funny, really. Dangerous, but pretty funny. So, anyhow, this is my replica of 1960 Navy revolver. That's what this is. And we'll use one of the caps I've made. We'll try it inside here. Let's see. I'm all thumbs, unfortunately. That's my problem. Oh, wait, there he goes. Whoop. What's wrong, Jump? You don't want to see it go off? Huh? No? Okay. Let's see if I can get that on there. Sometimes it's kind of rough getting these things on there. Try to get it on just right. Oh, I didn't land it up right yet. The only thing I noticed about these percussion caps compared to the ones they have manufactured, they really do they look more like a star than anything else. But okay, that should be locked. We'll see if that works. I don't know. We'll see. Look at a bird's eye view here. No, that one didn't work at all. Oh, okay. Oh, it did work. You didn't hear it. Look, it's smoking. I don't think there was enough in that one. Let me see. Let's see what we got here. Didn't hardly make any noise at all. Let's see. Get that out. And you can't really use these once you fire them once. So let's see. Let's try another one. Try one. I'll fit on there. I'm working at a disadvantage because I figure I got 1 inch of my thumb missing on one side here, my right hand. That was from a work accident years ago, back in 1977 actually. Alright, let's see if this one is any louder. Probably won't be. It'll be probably obscured by the hammer, but we'll see. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's what it should do. Apparently the other one didn't have enough stuff in it. Now, of course, the neighbors are thinking I shot myself. But anyway, as you can see, it does work. So anyhow, that's going to be it. And those are just, like I said, homemade ones I made myself. So you guys saw that here. And that's going to be it for now.